In this video, I will show you how to change your bank account on Google AdSense. To do this, just go and open up Google AdSense, and what you want to do is click on the payments section here and go to payments info. Now from here I've just blurred this page, but here you have your bank account. From there you want to click on manage payment methods. Now from here you have your current bank account, and what you want to do first is just click on add payment method. Then from here add a bank account, so first the country where your bank account was set up, the name on your bank account, which will probably be your name, the IBAN and the SWIFT or BIC, and then if you want to change it for your current bank account, then go and tick this box that says set it as primary payment method, and then click save. And once you click save, you will then need to verify the bank account, and usually they will make a small deposit of just a few cents, and then you need to enter however much they send to you so that they know that you have access to the bank account and that it is correctly linked. So that's how to change your bank account on Google AdSense. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.